Good morning everyone. Today I am going to test the soil to find its pH. So let's see the requirements to find the pH of a sample. Firstly, we need the given sample, then spatula, beaker, distilled water, standard pH 4 and pH 7, measuring cylinder. That's all. Now here is the beaker. 12 grams of soil is taken in this beaker. Now we will going to add the 24 ml of distilled water in it. We are going to measure 24 ml of water in this measuring cylinder, and then we will put the water in the beaker in which soil is taken. This is 24 ml of water. Now we will add it into the beaker. To find the pH of the sample, firstly we have to standardize it. So let's wash the electrode with distilled water and standardize it with pH 7. Now put the electrode into the pH 7. So here we can see that the pH is standardized at 7. We will standardize it at pH 4. Here you can see that it is standardized at pH 4. Now we will put the electrode into the given sample to find the pH of our sample. Here we can see that the pH is around 3.76. So the final pH we can see here is 3.92, and this is extremely acidic. So from here we get that the pH is acidic for this soil sample. To find the EC of the soil sample, firstly we need the soil sample of 12 gram in the beaker and 24 ml of water, that is distilled water, and the standard EC solution. Now let us make the soil sample solution by adding 24 ml of water in 12 gram of soil. To find the EC of this soil sample, firstly we have to standardize it. So here we can see the value of standardized conductivity. To find the EC of the sample, we will put it into the soil sample. Enter the code number. Here we can see the value of electrical conductivity. That is minus 1.670. It is strongly saline.